Namaste, welcome once again to another episode of Jeena Aisi Ka Naam Hai Women Special. Well, this time we have with us Chirashri Sarkar, Customer Care Associate and Regional Merchandiser, East Zone. Welcome, Chirashri.
Thank you, ma'am.
And congratulations on winning the Women Achievers Award.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Well, I'm sure there are a lot of our women associates who look up to you as their role model and draw inspiration from you and are eager to listen to your journey. So tell us about how did you start your career at ShopStop and what has your journey been like?
Well, ma'am, this year I complete 10 years in Shoppers Stop in the month of January. So I started my career in the year 2011 as a customer care associate and fashion assistant, ma'am. I was still doing my studies while I got a chance to work with Shoppers Stop, and I went on to pursue both of them simultaneously. So yes, then I went on to clear my baby kangaroo assessment in the year 2012, and I got confirmed as a department manager in 2013. And from there again, thereafter in 2015, I went on to become the regional retail operation manager, the ROM, for the Salt Lake store. And from there, ma'am, in 2019, I went on to become the regional merchandiser for East and South too, taking care of both the zones. And thereafter, ma'am, in 2020, I appeared for the unit head assessment, which I cleared this year, ma'am. So this is how I have come up this 10 years.
Wow, that's quite a journey, I should say, Chirashri. And tell us about how did you, as a customer care associate and fashion assistant, how did that role help you develop to the next level of a department manager?
Ma'am, it is very important because in retail, it is very important for one is to know the floor, because the entire operation is on floor. It is the floor who is managing it is the floor who is generating the revenue, from which corner, from which part of your store, which part of your floor can generate sales for you. It's very important, ma'am. So since I got this 9 months or 1.5 years that I have got to spend on floor as a fashion assistant, has actually helped me to understand my position as a department manager much better. In fact, ma'am, I would say there are since I joined in Elgin Road store as a customer care associate, so I was working with them till 2012 as one of their colleagues. Now, after clearing the assessment, I become the department manager. So overnight, shift in position, shift in role is also very challenging because it leads to a lot of acceptance issues. So that way, you also have to understand that how to take the work ahead. So working on the floor has made me understand that how to take out the work from my associates, how to work with them, and how to take it forward. What are the grassroots level problems? So these have actually helped me in my next position, ma'am, as a department manager. Uh, Not only understanding how things need to also bring them a solution. No, this can be done this way. So which is very important, because if you don't evaluate yourself in their shoes, it is very difficult to understand. So that way, yes, I have been my role as a customer care associate has actually helped me, ma'am, in my next position.
So tell us, in all these years that you've spent, what has been the best memory for you, which has been closest to your heart at ShopStop?
Well, ma'am, I think the best memory would be of the baby kangaroo days that I got to spend in Mumbai for 32 days that I got to spend in Mumbai, because it is the first time, I would say, ma'am, that I was out of my house. And since I'm the only daughter, actually the only child rather of my parents, I was not even allowed to stay in my uncle's place for a night. So, and then, going to Mumbai all by myself, and then being with other people, colleagues from different part of the country, adjusting to them, understanding their nature of work, how to work, and then evolving from the floor associate to a manager. That is a huge jump that I would say that is happening in anybody's career. That those 32 days actually molds you like anything. And then the strict schedule that we have in our L&D team, I would say, like the assignments, the interaction sessions that we have, that used to be really very interactive, nice. I would say a lot of insights we used to get how things were actually working, because still the floor level we only know that management decision, but then why management is taking this decision, why things are coming in this way, that it will help. It actually helped us to understand that there are reasons, like that development phase, that 32 days that we get to spend there, ma'am, is very important, and it has been very close to my heart, because after the entire days of work also, in the evening we used to find out time to go for Mumbai darshan, go all the nearby places in Mumbai we have covered, not a single place that we have left. And then again coming back and sitting back with staff schedule, our favorite thing used to be, or else Brian sir was always there with a stick there, why not finish. So and those were the lovely days. I cannot replace that for anything. Yeah.
Right. So you mentioned that you joined the organization as a customer care associate and fashion assistant, and I'm sure you were single then, and now you're married and you have a 4-year-old child as well. So I'm sure you juggle between multiple roles. At home you're a wife, you're a mother, and then when you come back at work, again you're a working professional. So I'm sure you would be drawing inspiration as well from someone in your life. So who has been your role model in your life?
Ma'am, inspiration, I would say, like there is no one person who has inspired me. I would tell you, ma'am, there are like different person at different situations have inspired me, ma'am. If I talk about my personal life, I have a 4-year-old son. So when my son was 5 months, I resumed my duties in Shoppers Stop. So I still remember how difficult those days used to be, because my son used to be awake all night. And then at days when he used to get high temperature, high fever. So I didn't feel like coming to work, take break, let me be with him. It's not that I never got that break. No, I got, definitely. But my mother used to be there as a strong support, that okay, you carry on. My in-laws don't live here in Kolkata with me, so I live with my parents. So my mother used to be a lot of support to me, like go ahead, don't worry, I'll take off him. So then I used to think that because my mother was also a working woman, so, and I was also raised by her, so if she can do it, then why can't I do it? In workplace, I would say, ma'am, there are different people who have supported me. I would take this opportunity to thank Shoppers Stop, that at every position I have got such wonderful leaders who have always been very supportive, very understanding, whatever situation is like. One person whom I cannot forget to name is Mr. Pradeep Sarkar, sir. He was in East Zone as an area controller from 2015 to 2019, and then again he came back as a zonal manager from 2020. So that interaction he used to have with one-on-one, every single person used to know him, and that also made me like, if he can be so down to earth, why can't I do it? Why can't I connect with everybody? So that is how even I drew inspiration from him. One person that I cannot again forget to mention is Mang sir. He taught me that mangoge to milega. So let me ask, if I am not asking for it, how do I assume that things will not happen? Let me ask for it. If it is possible, I'll get. If it's not possible, I won't get. So that's okay. So there are different situations, ma'am, when people have inspired me, and they are still inspiring me, and I continue to work on that, ma'am.
Well, I'm sure you have worked with inspirational leaders, and you're also developing future inspirational leaders within the organization. So tell me, what message do you have for our women associates who aspire to become successful leaders in the future within ShopStop?
Well, ma'am, I would like to convey only one message to all my women friends in the company, that this is a lovely platform that you have got, and what I would suggest is that don't give up. Like, it's very easy to give up, Like you just put down your paper, you try and lead a normal life. No, it's there, but then uh, don't give up. I mean, like there are days when I don't feel like going back and getting back to after getting back from work. I don't feel like even making a cup of tea for myself. But then uh, that is different. But at the end of the day, I know I am here. I cannot explain you, ma'am, how I'm going to like. But yes, I would like to suggest everyone that don't quit. Try, because trying is the only thing which you can do. If you uh, fail, there is no problem, but then try to do it again. So that is how.
So take every challenge as an opportunity,
Opportunity.
and as they rightly mentioned, the more you face challenges in your life, the more stronger you become. So
Stronger
take
you
pick
become.
every challenge as an opportunity and face it rightly with all
Face
the
it,
courage and
because
power.
yeah, it's very simple to just quit. It's not that difficult. I would tell you, quitting is the simplest solution that one can get. But then try. There's no harm in trying, because I see there are many associates of mine who after marriage they drop out, or after having a child they drop out. Why? Because of family pressure. I understand there might be their family is, they are not I mean, like their family is not even supportive, can be, but then see if there is an alternative. See if you can do something else for yourself. If not Shoppers Stop, there is something else, but then at least try. Don't give it up.
So, what is your aspiration, or what is the future goal that you have for yourself at Shopstop?
uh, well, ma'am, past all these years, the company has given me a lot, and I really hope that I am able to justify that. I try to give my level best in return to the company, and I am eyeing the next area controller position, ma'am. I know it is not that easy, so it's not a cakewalk, but then I also am aware that Shopper Stop till date doesn't have any women area controller, so it would be a very very proud moment for me if I can go up to that position. So uh, yes, I will try my best to to be up to that position.
I'm sure when you aspire for something and when you truly work towards it, you definitely get that in life. So, wishing you all the success, Chirashri. Thank you so much for your time today with us, and wishing you
Thank you
all
so
the
much.
best for the future, all the success in Shopstop. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you
Namaste.
so much, ma'am. Thank you.